LOL surprise remix packs.
So this is how it looks. And I think we have to be careful with the box because if you want to buy another one, you can join the boxes together, I think. And this comes with how many surprises? 2 surprises or 9 surprises? How many?
9.
It comes with 9 surprises. Woo!
And we take 2 bottles.
Yeah.
And 2 below. Let's put
They're not
together.
sure if they're all cat, if it's going to be a dog, if it's going to be a cat. What kind of pet will it be?
Another arrow.
And be careful when you open it. Wait, let Yaya open it carefully. You're going to destroy the box. She has to open the box carefully.
There's some tape.
Oh, that's great. So it has an inside box. The outside box is cute, but it has an inside box that looks like a radio. And I see the buttons where you can join it with another one. Look. See the buttons right there? Look, huh? Oh, see those 2 buttons? That's where you can snap one piece. It's like a Lego. That looks like a real music box. Oh, and it has a cassette tape. How cool!
What's this?
I used to listen to music on those.
Hey, what's that?
Look at that! It's actually a little tiny tape that says Crew Remix.
Laura,
So
let's
cute.
open this one together. 1, 2. Oh, we got. I can't ban it.
Ooh, can I take a look? You see?
Get a cat on it.
Oh, that looks like
And
your
red.
cat.
What are you?
Except for it has long blonde hair. They have a black and white kitty. And that's all the little surprises right there on these papers.
Yeah, let's open that one together. Together. 1, 2. A hat. A cat. Look here, I have butter. I got this. Oh, look, I've got a dress for the cat. Let me. I got watches.
Glasses.
I've got pretty cool dress.
Oh,
Oh!
that's something for like, I think a little
Hey, can
accessory.
we open it together? No, they're the ones. No, sister, that's so annoying. I'm definitely gonna get another one, and I'm opening it when she's napping.
Yeah, because we have a Laura is being a little greedy because you know that's what a little 2-year-olds are like. She's making up a song. Now I think she's trying to feed it.
Oh,
She said,
wait.
come on.
Oh yeah, there's something special. You should get a bowl of water.
I really like this cool little thing how you can open it up and you can put a little cassette tape in there.
Huh?
Like the old days when music used to be on the little cassette tapes.
Laura, that's not a cat, that's a cow.
Let's see. There it is. It's another surprise. Paul. Ooh, what's going to happen? That's it. That was it. Hey, so I guess that's a surprise. It's one little tiny string. Something special about that string. I think we're supposed to put it in some water and it will turn into something new. So, we're not sure what this paper does. We're just going to test it out. If anything happens, if you suction up some water and drop it on there, will it turn into anything? Is it just me or is the water turning blue?
That's because the plastic.
It looks like nothing mysterious happens. Looks like this is getting a little sticky. Nothing happens. It's just like a piece of plastic.
Matter.
Your bottle has real water in it now.
Don't spilling on my blanket.
Oh no! Now you made her little booties fall off. From real. The water had no place to go, so it's dripping on her leg, and she didn't like that. She's really trying to squeeze all that water in that little doll. Okay, you want to give her more water? Here, let me give you some more.
Can I try? No!
Here you go. Okay, go in. Oh, she's squeezing the water out. She's really trying to force that little milk bottle in there, good. And Soraya said that we did not get a cat, we got a cow. It's a mystery, not sure which one you're gonna get.
You got that.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot to show the inside of the box. It had the handle. So you can connect the handle right away. Okay, so here is the radio with the handle. Okay, so after we looked at these, we think that the best one to get would be Major Squirrel and Squeak Minor right here, because you will get 2 pets. And then the second best one would probably be Disco Doggy, because look at all of that hair. The ultra rare has the pink heart, and that is a rare one right there, probably because you get the 2. So that is the only ultra rare. So if you get this one, you're very lucky. And we got a popular common one. So we have the hot water, and we have some ice water here, and we're going to give it a try and dunk it and see if anything happens. To dunk the little cow in the hot water first to see if anything happens. The water's pretty hot. Anything different? Nothing. Go ahead and put in the cold water. And the ice water, see if anything happens. Does your face color change or anything, or spots disappear?
Maybe the pink.
Does it just seem like the belly's getting a little pink, or that she's getting a little pink spot on her chest?
She always has that.
I guess ours doesn't color change. Anything happen in her face? Let's see. Does she get like a star or something? Did she get pink eyeshadow, or is that always there?
That's always there.
Nothing happened. I guess put in the hot water.
Let me.
Nothing. It looks like ours doesn't get any color change.
Mom, I think ours spits. Hold on.
Because the head keeps falling off. Oh, ours can make bubbles when you squirt the mouth.
Wait! We have some bath paint. Wait, hold on.
Time to get a new hair look. Time for a new hair color. Oh, the head's gonna pop off again.
Grab all the hair. Squish on the head. And then.
Oh, the body fell off again.
Oh, you get the body. Laura, look, let's add more.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to know where we got this, we got it at Target. And it's a really fun toy. Probably the only bad part is the head keeps falling off. Remember to subscribe. Bye.